events A and B are such that probability for A is half, probability of B is 7 upon 12 and probability for A naught or B naught is 1 by 4. Now we have to check whether the events are independent or not. Now given probability for A 1 by 2, probability for B 7 by 12 and probability for A naught or B naught is equal to 1 by 4. Now let us check this part. Now A and B naught is equal to 1 by 4. A naught or B naught is equal to A and B naught. De Morgan's law. Now this is basically P A naught. Okay, it's if A and B is a single event, let it be E. So we can write it P E naught. Okay, so we are having 1 minus probability for A and B naught, A and B sorry, is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, because what we are having, probability for E plus probability for E naught is equal to 1. Now probability for A and B is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. No. PA with PB, probability for A times probability of B, it is 1 by 2 into 7 by 12, that is 7 by 24. Clearly PA and B is not equal to PA times PB. 3 by 4 is not equal to 7 by 24. There, hence A and B are dependent events. They are not independent, they are dependent.